Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Apocalyptic Taboo here, and I'm here with another dance video. So I had just posted in the Telegram chat. If you guys would like to join that chat, please do. It is an awesome group. And also if you aren't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and also hit the notification button so that you can get updated every time I upload a video. And for this one today, you can see that I am actually showing my screen. So basically what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go and search for some furry dance videos. And I'm going to be prejudging them. So I hope you guys can enjoy this. So I'm going to actually start with just a random one. If you do see your video on here or your character, um, please note that I do not have any rights to any of this. And just to let you know that in any way, shape, or form, do not take this as a drama trigger or I guess you could say, argument over what my opinions are, because everybody has different opinions and we all can agree to disagree, and that's what I think we should focus on. But also I want you guys to understand that this channel is dedicated to helping people, including novices, intermediates, and even veteran dancers of the furry community. So I've dedicated this channel to you guys. So if you would like to learn more about dancing techniques or anything, please leave a comment and I will hopefully get back to you sometime soon. Also, I'd like to do collabs in the further notice of the future with future dancers or even people who are new to dancing, so that maybe you can even see me teaching them personally how to dance. So let me know what you would like to see from me. Okay, now then, well, let's see. I'm going to be picking just random videos. So if you see your video, let me know. That was delayed. Ugh. Guys, timing's off. Okay, I already see like 3 things wrong with this video. So again, I'm going to say this. I am judging off of my competition experience, so sometimes it can come off harsher than it sounds. One thing I would like to sit here and say is that the timing is off. You can see them in 2 different directions and they're delayed. One of the other's delayed. Crucially, work on timing. Timing is your best friend, because timing, especially in a group, timing is key. Because if even one of you are delayed, it can throw the whole thing off. Another thing I'd say is probably work on your spacing. Work on spacing, because spacing yourself, because you're bound to accidentally hit somebody by accident. So make sure you're spacing between your characters and your suits. Definitely you have too little spaces. So continuing. Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, that camera shake. The timing's off on most of this video. The camera, I don't know why the camera's shaking. I don't know if it's because of the the floor they're on or if somebody's holding the camera. Um, Another thing is also, it looks like his pants are halfway falling off. I'm not sure if he's wearing a full suit. It doesn't look like he is wearing a full suit. I think he's wearing just a top half. But another thing is you guys need to work on getting to the point where you can hit beats. I can tell that a lot of these beats are off and there's not enough energy at all within this, and there's not a lot of moving around the stage, and that is key. Another thing is move around the stage. Don't stand in one place. And I understand that some of these videos you are trying to stay in frame. In that case, another tip for people to get better at these things or maybe record better is put the camera far enough away that you have a wide enough frame that you can freely move in without being cut off from the camera. So there's that. Now I'm going to move on to next ones because I'm not going to be doing the full thing simply because they're really long and I only have certain amount of time to be judging. So let me see. Also, I will click on competition dance videos and also do that.
Your 25th birthday party.
I love FWA.
Now that's over. Our next competitor is a dangerous diva that honestly gives a show.
Okay. Moving on to the dancing. That's a cute suit, by the way.
Alright, you ready for a challenge now? I bet you can't catch all 15 of the lizards running around here.
Yes,
Just come back if you
move.
want some morning tips from the master.
Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do anything. I can do anything.
Oh, yes. Okay.
I can do anything better.
How was the Now that you've mastered the basics, let's see you do some stunts. Try using the X or triangle button to jump off the ramps and turn in the air.
Okay, I'm gonna say the music and the editing is spot on. I congratulate you for that. The timing of the song and you mixing the memes together is absolutely fantastic. One thing that I will have to critique you for, because everything else is like on spot to me, because again, I'm not a competition, I'm no professional at all at this. So I am just merely going off of my experience. Don't run around the stage and just flail your arms like that. Control your arms, do movements. Now, when you did here, 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 that was great. That's something that you need to keep in your routines and also keep the music going. That is great. Do a little bit more technical things. A lot of things are not technical in this video that I can already see. There's a lot of moving around the stage, which is great, which I don't see in a lot of other videos. You move great around the stage. Keep that up. Your energy is great. The only thing I would say is work on your techniques. Work on your positions. Work on your popping and locking. Work on structure, balance, and also keep your head straight. Also, I know it's a little bit difficult with fursuits, but I also noticed something that is also helping her, which I will also say is I can tell she has a collar around her fursuit neck. That is a good thing because you do not want your head to accidentally fly off. So I always recommend people, if they're going to dance in suit, put a collar on. Don't choke yourself with it, but definitely, definitely put a fursuit collar on or some kind of collar that is big enough to fit around the head. So I'm going to move on once again, and we're going to do a couple videos again. This is also a freestyle.
If you write anything on your computer,
Also,
you need to get graphic.
forgive me on the ads because you know how YouTube is. Oh, Lone Digger! I love this song.
Hey, brother, what you thinking? Leave that record spinning. You feel the rhythm going. There's ain't no time to lay low. Your knees are bending, so it's time to get up and let go. Hey, son, how's it going? Can see your body moving. Don't be the party time. Pushing you through now. You have no right to say that. Tonight it's ready to go. Baby, can you move it on the rhythm so we can't get something to the ground? Get us the fucking whole town. Down, down, body, coming with the super hottie. Let's go.
All right, I'm gonna pause it. Okay. I know this says freestyle, but please go in an area that is big enough that you can move. I can already tell you right now, this person is having a hard time because of the small space. Not saying that their dancing is bad, because I can see potential. You need to move to a bigger space. Go outside. Go out there and be in the breeze, because that is going to help your airflow, is being in the breeze. Another thing is, put a little more movement in it. I know that a Lone Digger is a very 1920 song, a lot with the swinger type music, but I want to see more energy out of you. I want to see more energy, 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 energy. I see a lot of, I don't know what I'm doing, kind of in the air. I don't know what I'm doing. And I know this is a freestyle. Like I said, she's doing the best she can, or he, I'm so sorry. But please move into an area that is big enough for you to dance in, because that is going to help you in the later run. Overall, I'd have to give the first video, I'd probably say a 5 out of 10, as well as the second video, I'd have to give it an 8 out of 10. This one, I'm sadly going to have to put at 2 out of 10, just simply because their staging wasn't right. So without further ado, this guys will conclude this video, because I only have a certain amount of time to record. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more from me, definitely. And also, if you see your suit appear in one of my videos, please, 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 please comment, and I'd love to have you on my channel. So I hope to see you guys later. It's me, Apocalyptic Taboo. I hope you guys love this. See ya!